Wait. Okay. This is what it's like to be on the crazy mattress. See, that's what happens when you look up. That's what happens when you look at Uncle Chris's face. Woohoo! Okay. It's like this. And the side is like that. And then, whoa. Yes. Okay, that's Uncle Chris. I'm trying to get a picture of him. That's what that looks like.